Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use content aware fill in Adobe Photoshop. So let's get started. Now content aware fill is basically used to remove the objects from a particular image, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can perfectly use that. Now on first you have to make a selection around your object. So from here I'm going to pick the lasso tool, or you can use the pen tool if you want a proper selection. Otherwise you can use any selection tool. Anyway, so after that I'm going to make a rough selection around this cup. Now after selecting your object, you're gonna go to edit, and then you have to select fill. Otherwise you can just press shift plus F5 and this dialog box will be open. Now in content you have to select content aware and hit OK. After that just press Ctrl plus Z to deselect the selection, and here you go. So this is basically how you can remove the objects from a particular image using content aware fill in Adobe Photoshop. So all for today's video guys. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.